Google is one of the largest and most innovative technology companies in the world, known for its groundbreaking products and services that have revolutionized industries. Many people are curious about the technologies that power Google's massive infrastructure. And one question often comes up: is Google built on Python? The short answer is yes. Python plays a critical role at Google. But the company's infrastructure is far more complex than any single programming language. In this expanded explanation, we'll explore the relationship between Python and Google, how Python is used at the company, the other technologies in Google's ecosystem, and why this is significant for anyone learning Python. Why Python is important to Google? Python has been a core part of Google's operations since its early days. In fact, it's one of Google's 3 official programming languages, alongside C++ and Java. When Larry Page and Sergey Brin founded Google, their focus was on building fast, scalable, and efficient systems. Python quickly became a natural fit for some of their projects because of its simplicity, readability, and ability to handle complex tasks with ease. Python's flexibility allows Google engineers to develop a wide range of applications, from system automation and back-end services to machine learning models and web applications. Its clean syntax makes it easy to write and maintain code, enabling developers to iterate quickly, a crucial advantage in the fast-paced world of technology. While Python isn't the only language Google uses, its prominence in many of Google's tools, frameworks, and services shows just how integral it is to the company's ecosystem. Python's specific applications at Google. Python is used extensively across Google's operations, powering various tools, services, and workflows. Let's break down some of the major areas where Python plays a vital role. Number 1. Automation and system administration. Google operates a massive infrastructure with thousands of servers and complex systems that require constant monitoring and management. Python is used to automate many of these processes, from server configuration and performance monitoring to log analysis and deployment scripts. Its simplicity and extensive library support make Python an ideal language for writing automation scripts. For example, engineers use Python to write scripts that automatically restart services in case of failure. Python scripts help monitor server performance and generate alerts when issues arise. Automation tools written in Python streamline repetitive tasks, saving time and reducing human error. Number 2. Back-end services. While not all of Google's back-end infrastructure is written in Python, the language is often used for building smaller services and tools that integrate with larger systems. Python's ease of use makes it a popular choice for prototyping new features or creating microservices. Google's engineers appreciate Python's ability to handle complex tasks with relatively simple code. For instance, Python might be used to develop APIs, process user data, or handle tasks that don't require the raw performance of languages like C++ or Go. Number 3. Machine learning and AI. One of the most significant areas where Python shines at Google is in machine learning and artificial intelligence, AI. Python is the backbone of many AI and machine learning projects, thanks to its robust libraries and frameworks. Google developed TensorFlow, one of the most widely used machine learning frameworks, with Python as its primary interface. TensorFlow allows developers to build and deploy machine learning models efficiently, and Python's syntax makes it accessible to both beginners and experts. Other Python-based tools in Google's machine learning ecosystem include Keras, a high-level API for building neural networks integrated with TensorFlow; scikit-learn, a library for machine learning algorithms, often used for smaller-scale projects or prototyping; NumPy and Pandas, essential libraries for data manipulation and numerical computations. Python's dominance in machine learning is no coincidence. Its simplicity allows developers to focus on model design and problem-solving rather than getting bogged down in syntax. Number 4. Internal tools. Google has built numerous internal tools and systems to support its operations, many of which are written in Python. These tools help with everything from managing workflows to tracking bugs and analyzing data. For instance, Python is used to create dashboards for visualizing metrics and performance. Internal analytics tools rely on Python to process and present data. Code review and deployment systems are often supported by Python scripts. These tools are critical for maintaining efficiency and ensuring smooth operations at Google's scale. Number 5. Google Cloud Platform (GCP). Google's cloud services, offered through Google Cloud Platform (GCP), heavily support Python. Developers building applications on GCP can use Python to interact with various services, such as Google App Engine, a platform as a service, PaaS, for building and deploying Python applications, Google Cloud Functions, a serverless computing service that supports Python for creating event-driven solutions, BigQuery and cloud storage APIs. Python SDKs allow developers to query large datasets and manage cloud storage seamlessly. Python's compatibility with GCP makes it a popular choice for businesses and developers working in the cloud. Number 6. Web development. Python frameworks like Django and Flask are widely used for web development. While Google's large-scale web applications, such as Gmail and YouTube, rely on other languages like C++ and JavaScript for their core functionality, Python is often used for smaller-scale internal web applications and tools. Google engineers frequently build prototypes and internal systems using Python, leveraging its speed and flexibility. Google's broader tech stack beyond Python. While Python is a key language at Google, it's important to understand that the company relies on a diverse set of technologies. Each language and tool is chosen based on the specific needs of a project. Here's a quick look at other programming languages used at Google. C++, critical for performance-intensive applications, such as Google's search engine and YouTube's backend. Java, widely used for Android development, enterprise-level systems, and large-scale applications. Golang. Developed by Google itself, Go is used for scalable, efficient server-side applications. JavaScript and TypeScript, essential for front-end development of web applications like Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Docs. This combination of technologies allows Google to tackle a wide variety of challenges, from processing search queries in milliseconds to supporting billions of users on YouTube. Why Google's use of Python matters to you? For those learning Python, Google's extensive use of the language is incredibly encouraging. It demonstrates Python's power, versatility, and relevance in solving real-world problems. Here's why this matters for your journey as a Python programmer. Proof of Python's value. Google's reliance on Python shows that the language is not just for beginners, it's capable of handling complex, large-scale applications. Opportunities for growth. Python is a skill that opens doors to high-demand fields like data science, machine learning, and cloud computing, all areas where Google is a leader. Access to tools. Google's contributions to the Python ecosystem, such as TensorFlow and Colab, give developers free access to cutting-edge tools. Inspiration. Knowing that a company as influential as Google relies on Python can motivate you to keep learning and improving your skills. The future of Python at Google? Python's role at Google isn't diminishing anytime soon. As the company continues to innovate in areas like artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and automation, Python will remain a critical part of its tech stack. Its ease of use, active community, and growing library ecosystem make it a language that adapts well to new challenges and opportunities. So, is Google built on Python? The answer is partially. Python is a cornerstone of Google's operations, powering everything from automation scripts and internal tools to cutting-edge machine learning models. While it's not the only language Google uses, its significance within the company highlights Python's versatility and impact. If you're learning Python and wondering whether it's worth it, look no further than Google's success. Python isn't just a skill for hobbyists or small projects, it's a language that powers some of the most innovative and large-scale systems in the world. Whether you dream of working at Google or simply want to explore the possibilities of Python, you're on the right path. Keep learning, keep building, and who knows? One day, your Python code could help shape the future.